Hello, everyone. I'd like to share some insights with you today. In the process of developing innovative drugs, monitoring the competitive landscape is crucial, whether for R&D decision making, business development, or IP strategy. You need a clear view of your competitors, their clinical outcomes, and product strength. However, building a comprehensive landscape report usually requires subscribing to multiple databases, such as Cortellis, Citeline, GlobalData, or PatSnap Synapse, etc. Today, I'll use a specific case to show you why relying on a single database is insufficient and why we need to search more than one database. Let's look at a study we conducted in November 2025 focusing on small cell lung cancer. We exported pipeline data from five major databases: Cortellis, CCI, GlobalData, Farm Projects, FarmCube, and Synapse. After manually cleaning and deduplicating the data, we identified a total of 1,341 unique pipelines. When mapping this back to the individual databases, the gaps were startling. Global Data had the highest coverage, but still only captured 57% of the total landscape. Cortellis covered 41%. Others, like Pharma Projects, covered 36%. This proves that relying on a single source, often missing nearly half of the relevant competitors. Let's break down the distribution of these 1,341 pipelines. The results highlight a fragmented data ecosystem. 48%, 635 pipelines, appeared in only one database. Conversely, only 18%, 244 pipelines, were captured by all five databases simultaneously. This means if you aren't aggregating data, you are likely blind to significant portions of the market. To build a truly robust competitive landscape, aggregating multiple sources is needed. Why do these discrepancies exist? We've identified two main factors. First, sourcing differences. Cortellis excels in Western markets, leveraging conferences and manual curation, but lacks specialized indexing teams for China, leading to gaps in Chinese pipeline data. Citeline focuses heavily on clinical trials, sometimes overlooking early-stage academic research. Chinese vendors, like Synapse or FarmCube, offer superior coverage of the Chinese biotech pipelines and curate patent disclosures as early-stage pipeline entries. The second factor is inclusion criteria and indexing. For example, Cortellis and Synapse include biosimilars and global data includes generics, etc. New modalities, for example, T-cell engagers, TCEs, haven't yet dedicated tags in Addis Insight or global data, making them unsearchable even if the data exists. Indexing errors. A drug might be in the database, but lacks the specific small cell lung cancer tag, causing it to be missed during retrieval. In short, valuable data is often hidden due to inconsistent tagging or varying definitions of what constitutes a pipeline asset. What is the hidden costs of an incomplete landscape? 1. Missing BD opportunities. You might overlook high potential assets for licensing. 2. IP risks. Inadequate searches can lead to patent infringement or poor risk control. 3. Strategic misjudgment and high sunk cost. You might mistake a red ocean market for a blue ocean. You may discover a flood of competitors after reaching phase 1 or 2. Comprehensive data analysis is the foundation of sound strategic decision making. To solve this problem, we developed Pharmato Integras. Integras is the first intelligent software designed specifically for merging pipelines. Now it supports all major data sources like Cortellis, Global Data, Farm Projects, Addis Insight, FarmCube, DXY Insight, and Synapse. Importing pipelines from different databases using Pharmato X1 AI engine, it automatically normalizes and merges disparate datasets into a single, clean master list. Using Integras is a simple four-step process. 1. Upload. Directly upload raw export files from your databases. No pre-processing is required. 2. Mapping and config the fields. The system intelligently identifies and maps fields across different sources. It automatically aligns drug names, synonyms, developers, and phases, etc. You can also customize or reorder fields if needed. 3. Merge and review. The AI completes the merging process in seconds. Blue rows represent the merged master data, and gray rows show the original source data for transparency. It functions like an intelligent Excel sheet. You can filter, sort, and even manually split, merge, delete records. The last step is preview and export. The result is a comprehensive competitive landscape table. You can export to Excel for further analysis or save it to your My Assets cloud drive. When you need to update the report next quarter, simply upload the new files, and the system updates the landscape automatically. Pharmato Integras is so simple like that. We are currently opening up for trials. If you are interested in streamlining your competitive intelligence workflow, please submit application in the website www.pharmato.ai. That's all. Pharmato Integras, see the whole landscape. Thank you.